Welcome children. Today we are going to see about chapter 8, that is strings and string manipulation. First we should know what is meant by string. If one letter is there, that is called character. If more than one letter is there, that is called strings. That is, strings means set of characters is called as strings. These strings may be letters, numbers or special symbols, and these strings can be enclosed with single, double or even triple quotes. String manipulation means how to handle the string in Python. That only we are going to see. Example for string is, look at the first example. This first example is enclosed with single quotes, and next one is enclosed with double quotes, and the third example is enclosed with triple quotes. So in C++ we are using only single quotes for single character and double quotes for set of character. But in Python we are using single quotes, double quotes and triple quotes. Next we will see about how to create a string in Python. As I already said, strings can be created by using the single, double and triple quotes. If triple quotes is used means that is called multi-line strings. Double quotes used means more than a set of characters we are using. For the same set of characters we can also use single quotes. And let us see the example for single quotes. Look at the example here. Print Greater Chennai Corporation. It is enclosed with the single quotes. What will be the output? Greater Chennai Corporation alone will come. Let us see the another example. It is also defined with the single quotes, and also single quoted string has been used inside this. Greater Chennai Corporation's student. If you give the like this, the interpreter will get confusion and it will shows the error. So you should not give like this. The another example for double quotes is, that is print computer science. It is given in between the double quotes. So the answer will be computer science. Next example, double quoted string with the double quotes. That is, computer science is given in double quotes and it is again double quoted. So it is printed as double quote computer science. At the end also double quotes is there. If you want double quotes means you can give like this. Next example, it is a multi-line string. As I already said, if you are using multi-lines we can use triple quotes, and inside the triple quotes we have used single quotes. Look at that. Strings are immutable in Python. The Python is in single quotes, which means you can't make any changes once you declare. So the output of this program will be strings are immutable in Python. Single quotes is also there and double quotes is also mentioned. So we are using single quotes and double quotes in the multi-line string. Next, how to access the characters in string. First you should know what is meant by index value. That index value means if one word is given, each and every word has the, every letter has the subscript. Subscript always commences from 0 and the last character is n-1 because it starts with 0. 5 characters means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4 it stops because we are starting from 0. If you are starting from 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. But we are starting from 0. So it ends by 4 itself. So that subscript always commences from 0. Look at this example. You can understand what string it is there. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. The subscript is of two types. One is positive subscript and another one is negative subscript. Positive subscript, it starts from 0, that is S0, C1, H2, like that it is going. A negative subscript, it starts from the end, that is from last you have to write -1, -2, -3. If the string is suppose A of 0, S is there. A of 1, C is there. A of 2, H is there in positive subscript. In negative subscript, A of -3, what is there? A of -3, O is there. A of -6, S is there. Okay. By seeing the example, you can clearly understand how to access the strings in characters in a string. That let us see the example for the positive subscript. That is, see the example, str1 equal to input of entire string. We are getting the input from the user. What input we have given? Welcome. Okay. Index equal to 0. And for loop we are giving I in str1. We are printing the subscript of comma index comma. So subscript, what is in subscript? First subscript, that is, it is a positive, so it starts with 0. So subscript of 0, it will take the first letter. As I already said, school means 0 means yes. Welcome. So subscript of 0, what is in 0? W. Next, the loop will be repeated because index value is incremented. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1. So subscript of 1, E will be there. Same like that. 2, L. Subscript of 3, C. Subscript of 4, O. Subscript of 5, M. And subscript of 6, E. So this is the positive subscript. The first letter, it takes as 0 and it is going on. Next, let us see the negative subscript example. The same example we are using, but we are taking the negative subscript. Same like that, we are giving the welcome string. It will take it as -1. So subscript of -1, what will we take? E. Because as I already said, negative subscript means it starts from the right hand side as -1, -2, -3 up to W, it goes for -7. So this is the example for the negative subscript. Next, how to modify and delete strings in Python. In this example, we have given string 1 as how are you, and just we are printing the string 1. Inside the string 1, what it is there? How are you? So it is printed. We are changing R into about, that is how about you, and print of str, and how about you will be printed. Here, just inside the double quotes, we are changing the words. That is one way for changing. But for modifying strings, we need a replace function. This replace function changes the particular character of a string, and all occurrences also you can change. The syntax for the replace function is replace of character 1 comma character 2. So this function will replaces the character 1 with character 2. Let us see the example for this replace function. Here it is given as how are you, and we are printing the same will come. Fourth line, we have used str1 dot replace of O comma E. So in this string, O has been changed into E. So where is O there? How? H O is there, and U Y O is there. So that O has been replaced into E. So this is the use of replace function in Python. And for removing the string in Python, we will use del command. For deleting purpose, we are using del command. Next, let us see the string operators in Python. I think you all know about operators. In previous lesson, we have seen arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators. Now, we are going to see about string operators in Python. String means, as I already said, string means it is a set of character. That set of character can be added, can be replaced, and many things it is possible. The string operators in Python are concatenation, that is plus operator, append, that is plus equal to operator, repeating star operator, string slicing, and next stride when slicing string. So these are the classification of string operators. First, let us see the concatenation operator. Concatenation means just we are adding two or more strings by using the plus operator. That is called concatenation. In C++, we are using the function for concatenation as concat, C-O-N-C-A-T. But here we are using plus symbol in Python. So let us see the example. Welcome, it is given in double quotes, plus, it is all next given double quotes, Python. So welcome plus Python, the output will be welcome Python. So we will get the result as like this. We are not adding the numbers here. We are adding the strings by using the plus operator. This is called concatenation. If you are giving the number in double quotes as 5 plus 6, what will be the answer for this program? 5 should be given in double quotes and 6 also should be given in double quotes. Now in between that you are giving plus. What will be the result? You think 5 plus 6, 11. No, it is wrong. 11 will not be the answer. It will give the result as 5, 6 because it's just adding the strings. Concatenation means just adding the strings what is inside the double quotes. Next function, append. Append means adding more strings at the end of the existing string. Already one string is there. At the end we are adding another string, that is called append. Here we are using the operator plus equaled. So let us see the example. In string 1 we have given welcome to, and next line we are using string 1 plus equal to learn Python. Already in string 1 welcome to is there. Again we are adding with that learn Python. Then printing the result. We are printing the result. So what will be the output? Welcome to learn Python. We are getting the output as welcome to learn Python. Next string operator is repeating. This repeating operator has been used in as a compulsory question in last year public examination. This star has been used. It in compulsory question it came. So star means it is a multiplication operator. The given string can be multiplied in a number of times. How many number of times you are giving, that strings will be multiplied. Let us see the example for that. String 1 equal to welcome, print string 1 star 4. So what is in string 1? Welcome. How many times it will be repeated? 4 times. So what will be the output? Welcome, 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 welcome. So 4 times it is repeated. If you are giving 10 means 10 times it will show. If you are giving 2 means 2 times it will be showing. Okay. So today's class we have discussed about string manipulation, that is how to create a string, how to modify a string, and how to delete a string, and string operators. 5 types are there. Among this 3 types we have discussed today. One is concatenation and append and then repeating. In tomorrow's class we will see about the remaining string operator. The remaining string operators are string slicing and stride when slicing string. These 2 things we will see in the next class. Thank you.